birthday is it?
Dad?
No. Uncle
Mikey.
Farrah, whose birthday is it?
Farrah, whose birthday?
Say Uncle Mikey.
You want to sing? All right, Farrah, let's sing. Say, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear
Uncle Mikey.
Can you say Uncle Mikey?
Happy
Day to you.
Yay!
Farrah, you want to blow the candles out?
I
Okay.
Farrah, can you say Uncle Mikey?
do. Happy birthday, dear Uncle Mikey.
Say happy
so
birthday
good.
to you.
I put the candles out.
Matt, say happy birthday to you. Tired. Okay.
Farrah, say hi, Uncle Mikey. Say hi.
Bye, Uncle Mikey. Say bye-bye, Uncle Mikey.
Say bye-bye.